Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to clean up my beauty room because it's just been way too long since I've organized. It's starting to look more of like a storage room than like a beauty room. So I'm like, let me just clean it up because it's getting out of hand. There's really not much in here. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but the little that is in here is getting out of control. Like everything is out of order. There's really not a lot of things in place. So I just have to figure things out a little bit. I'm going to try to declutter as I go. I know there's a lot of makeup that I have that really needs to be tossed. And I was going to do that in a separate video, but if I just keep saying that, it's never going to happen. And since I'm here now, I'm going to do it. So let me turn you guys around so I can show you guys what it looks like right now. This room obviously was a bedroom. So this is where my closet was. And we just took the doors off. Sergio hasn't quite finished it, so you'll still see like that stuff needs to really be finished, but it's really not a priority right now. He did do like this side, but this side's still not quite finished. I have tons of makeup that I know, the lighting's not that great, but I know I need to get rid of. A lot of these brushes I don't use either, so I'm gonna see if I can declutter some. And the way this bedroom is, it has this really cool nook that Sergio ended up adding shelves to, but like I said, it's becoming storage. So I really just need to sort things out. This bag, when I left the hair salon, I just threw everything here and literally haven't even touched it. So those were all my tools that I used to work with. And as I need them, I grab them. But other than that, that bag just has been there. These are my lights. Those are all my nail polishes. I do my own gel nails, so I just have to put that away. And then this is where I usually film. I usually film in front of a window, so a lot of the times you guys will see, most of my videos are natural lighting. I kind of go back and forth, but most likely it's natural lighting. And then I need to wipe this table down. This is like pretty much everything that just landed on the table that probably could be put away. And then in some of my newer videos, I've been filming in this spot of the room. It's actually a really cute corner, but I feel like I need something else. I don't know. Leave in the comment section, what do you guys think I need? I need an accent rug. Does this chair need a pillow? Wall art? I don't know. Let me know. And then I have this random thing there that I thought might be cute here, but it's just way too big and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe a little accent table, like a tiny one, or a little mini stool would be nice for the plant, but that's how the bedroom is. And then like the door where I was standing in the beginning, that's the door. So this is the whole room. Just gonna give you a little 360. Now we just really need to tackle and clean. All right, hopefully that is straight. And that kind of gives you a full view of the room. So that's how it looks. Ta-da! Obviously you guys are in the section where the closet is, but I'm gonna leave it there just so I can do that side of the room, and then we'll flip you guys around so you guys can see everything else that I'm doing on this side of the room.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I got time for you, I got time for you, so be mine. Would you give me time to give?
But I was gonna have enough patience to sort these things out, but I don't, not today. And I think it's because I don't have like the storage for it. Like these shelves are all open and I don't want to have a ton of like hair stuff just laying. So I think I'm gonna have to buy some storage so that I can sort these things out if I keep anything, you know, like it's mainly like curling irons, some product. What's this? Hair bottles, hairpins, nail file, even though I didn't do nails at that salon. And then here, oh, I was actually looking for bleach. Yeah, see, I didn't even know I had all this in here. More foils back there. It's just a lot of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just place them nicely on one of these shelves, and then I'll figure that out maybe for another
Give
video.
it all to you. Let me give it all to you. Give it all to you, yeah.
Alright, so this is how everything turned out. I was gonna declutter and sort this out, but I think I'm gonna save that for another video because that will take me forever, and Lucas just woke up from his nap. But this is how this looks. And then this area right here is a little bit more organized. It was just piling up random stuff. So I think this I'm gonna take upstairs with me. So that's why I left it there. I left the garbage bag there just because I'm gonna need them eventually. But that looks a little more organized. I put the nail polishes here just because I thought they would be a better access. Eye level, just have everything there. I usually keep all the boxes to my electronics because sometimes I end up selling them if I get the newest model. So that's where I put everything there. And then these are just some baby things that I just either can't use yet or need to get rid of, but haven't. So yeah, that area looks a lot better. And then I just pushed these lights over to the side. I can't really put them away because I use them all the time when I'm doing like sit down videos or just other type of videos. I do have to clean out that garbage bag. And then this is the table with everything. I was starting to sort out makeup and throw some out. I'll show you what I put on the side, but again, I think that's just too much. I'm gonna leave it for another video. And then this little section was okay. I'm gonna put Emerson, which by the way, if you haven't met Emerson, this is Emerson. I'm just gonna push this table there for now. Like I said, I still don't know what I'm gonna do with that area. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. This is everything I'm gonna get rid of. Like this is an eyebrow. I might give this to somebody, but everything else, since they're lip products, I think I'm gonna toss. And then this concealer, I think it's discontinued and it's just really old. This I don't use enough to want to keep it, so I'm just going to toss it. This mascara is a little dry. And these lip glosses, I just haven't used in a while. I don't even know if ColourPop still has these shades, but I'm just going to toss them either way. But yes, expect a declutter of this whole area pretty soon. If you guys are interested in watching that, give this video a thumbs up because it definitely needs to get done. But yeah, that's how the room looks. A little bit more organized, vacuumed the floor. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like this impromptu clean with me. Definitely got a satisfaction of just tidying this room up and organizing certain things because like I said, it was starting to be a storage room and I do not like that. Now that it's clean, expect more makeup videos. And yeah, I think that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.